Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting culinary journey through the world of AWS DevOps. Just like cooking, building software requires the right ingredients and techniques. So, grab your chef's hat and let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is DevOps? Think of it as a delicious recipe that blends software development and IT operations. It's all about bridging the gap between these two traditionally siloed teams. By adopting DevOps practices, organizations can deliver software updates faster and more reliably. This means less time waiting and more time enjoying the meal, or in our case, the software. Plus, improved collaboration fosters a culture of innovation. Just like any great dish needs the right ingredients, a successful DevOps strategy requires a few key elements. Automation. First up is automation. Automating repetitive tasks increases efficiency and reduces the risk of human error. Think of a kitchen where your sous chef handles all the chopping. Everything is done faster and more accurately. Collaboration. Next, we have collaboration. Fostering a culture where developers and operations communicate effectively is crucial. It's like a well-coordinated kitchen team, where every member knows their role and works in sync. Continuous improvement. Finally, continuous improvement. Just like chefs refine their recipes, teams should always look for ways to enhance their DevOps practices. This could mean gathering feedback, analyzing performance metrics, or experimenting with new tools. Now, let's get into the kitchen with continuous integration. AWS Code Pipeline automates the build and test processes. Here's how it works. Build. Every time a developer commits code, the pipeline automatically builds and tests it. Imagine checking the freshness of your ingredients before cooking. This step ensures only the best code makes it to the next stage. Release. Next, Code Pipeline packages and deploys your application to target environments. This process is like presenting your dish to diners. Everything must look and function perfectly. Monitor. Finally, continuous monitoring tracks the health and performance of your deployments. Just as a chef tastes the dish during cooking, monitoring ensures everything is going smoothly. Now, let's explore continuous deployment through AWS Code Deploy. This powerful tool streamlines your deployment process, making it efficient and automated. Here's how it works. Automated deployments. With Code Deploy, you can automatically push updates to your production environment with minimal human involvement. Picture a busy restaurant where each staff member knows their responsibilities perfectly. Every update flows seamlessly, just like a well-coordinated service during a dinner rush. Blue-green deployments. This deployment strategy enables you to introduce new versions of your application in a controlled manner. Imagine setting up a tasting station where a small group tries a new dish before it goes on the menu. This approach ensures that the new version is ready and well received before making it available to all customers. Rollbacks. What if the new version doesn't perform as expected? Code Deploy allows for swift rollbacks to a previous version, just like having a backup dish on standby in case the main course needs adjusting. This capability ensures that you can maintain a smooth dining experience for your customers, even if challenges arise. Next, we dive into infrastructure as code, or IAC, using AWS CloudFormation. This approach allows you to define your infrastructure resources in a simple declarative language. Declarative approach. You write a CloudFormation template that describes what you want your infrastructure to look like, and AWS takes care of provisioning it, just like following a recipe step by step, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Versioning and collaboration. Store these templates in version control to track changes and collaborate effectively. It's like keeping a log of every recipe you've tried, always ready to revisit or refine. Consistency and reliability. CloudFormation ensures your infrastructure is provisioned the same way every time, minimizing human error. Think of it as a foolproof recipe that guarantees success every time. Monitoring your applications is just as crucial as the cooking process itself. With AWS CloudWatch, you can keep an eye on everything that matters. Metrics. CloudWatch allows you to monitor key performance indicators and resource utilization across your AWS services. It's like checking the temperature of your dish as it cooks, ensuring it's not undercooked or burnt. Centralize and analyze logs from your applications and infrastructure for better visibility. This step helps identify what went wrong, much like analyzing your cooking logs to see if you forgot an ingredient. Alarms. Set up alerts to proactively detect and respond to issues in your environment. Think of it as your kitchen timer reminding you when to check the oven or stir the pot. Now, let's explore the beauty of serverless architectures. These architectures automatically scale to meet demand and allow you to focus on what matters most: cooking delicious software. Scalability. Serverless architectures adjust automatically to handle varying workloads. It's like a restaurant that can expand its kitchen during peak hours without any hassle. Cost efficiency. With pay-as-you-go pricing models, you only pay for the resources you use. Imagine a restaurant where you only pay for the ingredients you actually use, no waste. Agility. Quickly build and deploy features without the hassle of managing servers. Just like a chef can whip up new dishes on the fly without worrying about maintaining a full kitchen setup. Now, let's talk containers. With Amazon ECS, Elastic Container Service, and EKS, Elastic Kubernetes Service, you can run and manage your applications in containers, ensuring consistency across different environments. Here's how it helps. Consistent environments. Containerization ensures that your application runs the same way across different environments, from development to production. It's like a chef ensuring that their recipes yield the same delicious result, no matter where they cook. Scalability and high availability. With orchestration platforms like ECS and EKS, scaling and managing your container-based workloads becomes a breeze. Just imagine a restaurant that can effortlessly add more tables during busy hours. Increased efficiency. Containers enable more efficient resource utilization and faster deployment cycles. Think of it as a chef maximizing their kitchen space, using every inch to prepare dishes quickly and effectively. As we wrap up our culinary journey through AWS DevOps, let's recap the key takeaways. Harmonize your workflow. By embracing DevOps practices and AWS cloud services, you can create a seamless software development and deployment process, just like a well-orchestrated kitchen where every member plays their part perfectly. Unleash innovation. Accelerate your ability to deliver new features and updates, enabling your organization to be more responsive to customer needs. Think of it as a chef who can quickly adapt to changing customer tastes and preferences. Optimize for the cloud. Leverage the power of AWS to build scalable, cost-effective, and highly available cloud-native applications. The cloud is your culinary playground where you can experiment without limits. Thank you for joining me on this delicious journey through AWS DevOps. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech insights. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep growing. Happy coding, everyone!